Hi folks, it's Trevor Lewis from the Voyager STEAM Lab again. In this video, this is a Google Classroom video for students, and I'm going to show you how to turn in your work after you've added it on Google Classroom. So you can see that there's work already here. All you got to do is press turn in. So it says, are you sure you want to turn these things in? It gives you that confirmation. You press turn in, and you can tell that you've turned something in because it'll say unsubmit. So this means that I've turned it in, but the teacher hasn't graded it and returned it yet. After the teacher grades and returns it, it'll say resubmit here instead. Let me show you another type of assignment, how to turn it in. Let's say we're doing a different assignment, like a question. So this is just a question. So if I hit view question here, you can see I can type my answer, and it won't let me turn it in until I type an answer. So briefly explain how 3D printing works. It says uses filament to build a layer at a time. Now I can press turn in, and you can see I can edit it until the teacher grades it, and then I won't be able to edit it anymore. I'll only be able to private comment. Last little thing I could say about turning things in is if you don't get the turn in button, if you only have the mark as done button, that means that it's a warning to you that you're telling the teacher you're done with something, but you are not actually going to turn in any actual work. So let's unsubmit this one here. I'll show you. If I remove all my work, you can see my button changes. It says mark as done. So if I press mark as done, I'm turning it in, but it says I didn't attach any work, so your teacher will just see that it's done. So usually that's not okay. Usually you want to actually attach something. So that's how you mark things as done. If you want to know how to add work, watch my previous video.